Welcome back to day 99 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. In yesterday's video, we have linked a custom domain to our app, ensuring that our app has a professional web address. But before we officially launch, why don't we make it a little more exciting? You have probably seen countdown timers on product launch or sales stage, right? That's exactly what we are going to do today. In today's video, we will be adding a live countdown timer to bring in a little excitement and urgency to the app launch. Let's dive in. Okay, so to build a countdown timer, I'll go to a new page. So to build a countdown timer, I'm going to add a pop-up. And then we can call this as countdown timer. Okay, let's quickly go to padding and add 2020, right? Let's go to plugins, search for countdown, and you can see we have timer, stopwatch, countdown, right? So install that, or there are a lot of others you can check out. And let's see what is the elements available. So we have chronometer and countdown. Okay, so we have to use countdown, and a countdown ended, we have an event for that. Okay, so we also have start, resume a countdown, stop a countdown. Okay, so let's go to our pop-up, search for countdown, add it anywhere. And now what we need is go to page, click on new, and we will go to page is loaded. Okay, that is the event, right? And we want this to happen only until a particular date and time. Okay, so we will come to that a bit later. So go over here and search for start. You have start, resume a countdown. It'll ask you which element. We have just one element, so it will be there. Start date will be current date and time. Okay, so end date can be added in multiple ways. One, you can save it in database and read it from there. You can add a date time picker and add it from there, and so on and so forth. I'm just going to make it from here. So I'm adding it as current date and time. Okay, and then I will say change the date to, if you're going live on 10th of March, then I'm going to make change date to 10, and the month is same because I'm recording this on in the month of March itself, so I'm not going to change that. The year is also same, so I'm not going to change that. I'm coming to change hours to, okay, and let's say 6 p.m. that is 18, and right, change minutes to 0, and change seconds to 0. Okay, so that is my end date. So until then, it should keep doing the countdown. Okay, and we have string hours, plural hours, string hours, which is hours, basically just singular hours. And then we have a string minutes, plural, string minute, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what we will do is we'll go to the pop-up, we will add a text element over here. Okay, and we can use the countdown days. Then we will add double dot, then we will add double colon. Again, countdown is hours, space, double colon, space. I will add a space before to this as well. And then again, go to countdown is minutes, and the last one, which is countdown, is seconds. Okay, so ideally this will be like 3 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, right, 12 seconds, right? So we can change this pop-up to be aligned to current, and this one can be in the center. So let's quickly check if this is working fine. I'm going to, and also what we want is on page load. Okay, it's not just start this counter, but also show the pop-up. Okay, so I'm going to preview this. Okay, so it's showing you 3, 20, 50, and 3. So what we will do is we will go to this particular section and put here D, which stands for days, and here we will add hours. Here we will add minutes, and at the end we will add seconds. Let's quickly check this and see 3 days, 20 hours, 49 minutes and 33 seconds. Now, one thing we have to do is we don't want anybody to close this pop-up. So we will go over here and check this box, which is this pop-up can't be closed by pressing escape. And we will also out color. We can make this as a bit darker. It's not 60%, but maybe 90%. And blur can be like 4 or 10 or so. Okay. So what happens is here you can see clearly what is there in the background. But when you put this blurring and color effect, you can't see what is there in the background, and this will keep running like this. Okay. We can make the timer a bit more bolder and slightly bigger font. We can add a canvas placeholder 3D space 4 hours space 5 minutes space 6 seconds. Okay, this is how it will look on the front end as well. You will see here, and we refresh, you can see this coming up. We can also add a text above this where we can tell that the app will be live and right. So we have to go to layout and make it as top, and we can add top with, let's say, 60. Yeah, this should be good enough. Refresh the page and you can see this. The app will go live in 3 days, 20 hours, 46 minutes and 33 seconds. Of course, you can make the design changes based on your brand colors and guidelines. Now, I will do this for a couple of minutes just to show you how this works. Okay. We have to add one more event, which is there in the element section. And the event is a countdown ended, right? As soon as you add that, we just have one countdown, so it will automatically be selected. Now, what we want is the pop-up to go off, right? So hide an element, and the element to hide is pop-up countdown timer. Okay. I'm going to show you this with a quick update here. So instead of making it 10, I'm going to make this as 6. Okay. And this will be 21. Minutes will be 17. Seconds can be okay. Okay. So when I go to the page and refresh this, you can see that it opens up with 0 days, 0 hours, 1 minute and 33 seconds now. And as soon as this countdown goes to 0, the pop-up will get closed, which means the app is live for everybody to see. Let's wait for 1 minute and 16 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. You see, the pop-up goes off and your app is live. So that's how you add a countdown to your app. And in tomorrow's video, I will show you how can you make your app live. And with that, our app is ticking down to the big moment. When we started 3 months ago, this was just an idea. Now, after all the building, testing and refining, it's finally come to life. From the foundation to fine-tuning the final details, it's all been leading to this moment. Don't forget to share this with your friends and families, and also spread the news on social platforms. We would love to see your journey and celebrate it along with you. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey and for making this challenge even more exciting. See you tomorrow, where we are making our app live finally. Thank you once again.